In this video, we are going to be taking a look at the Aer Go Collection, a series of packable bags from Aer. I'm Tom, the founder of Pack Hacker, where we use our expertise and real-world experience to provide practical resources and honest opinions, guiding you towards smarter travel. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Let's jump right into the packable Aer Go Collection. At the time of this review, the Aer Go Collection includes 4 items. The first one being the Aer Go Pack, the second one, the Go Tote, the third, the Go Duffel, and the fourth, the Go Sling. Different than a lot of other compressible bags on the market, the Aer Go Collection simply lays flat or rolls up onto itself. It doesn't have any self-compressing features like we've seen with a lot of other compressible and packable bags in the market. Plus, a little note on the packable sling, we don't really see a reason why you'd have to pack that away versus just wearing it. However, your mileage may vary. The big benefit of bags like this is that you drop your luggage or your larger one-bag travel backpack at the Airbnb, hostel, or hotel when you arrive at your destination, and then you grab one of these out of here, and then you're able to kind of use that for the day as a daily driver during your trip, as you're exploring, going to the coffee shop and working, or just whatever it is that you need to do to carry items. In the case of the Aer Go Collection, it is really towing the line for what a packable bag can be. So the look and feel is premium, and it doesn't have that swishy, low denier nylon ripstop that you see in a lot of other packable gear. So this promotes a premium feel across the collection. As far as materials goes, Aer uses a satisfying fidlock buckle on all of these for the external pocket. It sort of automatically buckles when you're done using it, and it's sort of fun to fiddle around with it, hence the name fidlock. They use a 300D nylon Cordura ripstop exterior that is lightweight and durable. This is heathered black in color and overall promotes a premium feel and a premium look. So the 300 denier is high enough to where it feels closer to a daily driver bag. It's not, again, that swooshy nylon material that you see on other packs. And then YKK zippers are used throughout with Hypalon zipper pulls. So these Hypalon zipper pulls are really grippy. They're kind of rubbery in feel, yet they're small enough and have a low enough profile to where they're not taking up extra space in your pack compared to, say, some larger zipper pulls. Even the ones that we've seen on the Aer Travel Pack 2, those are a little bit bigger, a little more beefy. Aer was very conscious about keeping the zipper pulls small on this one as well, which is great. And then Duraflex plastic hardware has been selected across the collection to be used on places like the adjustment straps, as well as the attachment points for the strap onto that sling. Kicking it right off with the Go Pack, this packable day pack holds 21.4 liters of gear. There are some decently padded straps of this size, and it's lined with that same Cordura material that you see on the outside, so it promotes a bit of a more premium look compared to if it's just a black strap, or it's just some air mesh or something like that. There's a luggage pass-through if you'd like to use that. Again, on a packable day pack like this, it's probably inside of your luggage versus on the outside. However, it's a handy feature that's there, and it's low profile when you don't need it. The exterior flap pocket is pretty roomy, and it's secured with that fidlock buckle. You'll find 2 slightly stretchy water bottle pockets here, one on each side. Towards the top, you will find a quick grab pocket that's good for just storing any items that you need fast access to. Plus, there is a main roomy compartment that includes 2 divider pockets on the top flap, 1 laptop compartment, and on that laptop compartment divider, there is a separate zippered pocket for additional organization. So far, it's been a solid little pack, and we do plan to release a full review in the future, so stay tuned for that one. Next up in the collection, we have the Go Tote bag. The tote is intended to be carried by hand, or you can sling it over your shoulder. It's really helpful that the Cordura is there, and it's kind of sewn on. It makes it a little bit easier to grab and wear it on your shoulder versus just that nylon strap that you see on the rest of the bag. The feature set is very similar to the Aer Go Pack. Starting on the outside, we have a luggage pass-through for use with roller luggage. We have a water bottle compartment on each side, and then we have a quick access pocket right above that pass-through for any smaller items that you want to grab, just to keep those handy. There's that same sized fidlock, and the pocket on this tote is a little bit larger than we've seen on the Aer Go Pack, so it goes down the entirety of the tote. It's almost like a separate partition for your items. The main liter capacity of the tote opens up and reveals a very similar layout and organization to the Aer Go Pack. Moving on to the 33-liter duffel, this is about the same liter capacity as the Aer Travel Pack 2. No crossbody strap on this one, but the handles are very similar to the tote, so you can either hold those by hand or sling those just on your shoulder. These features on the outside are very similar to the tote. We have a luggage pass-through on the back, that quick access pocket above that, and then there is a massive fidlock pocket that takes up pretty much the entirety of the front of the duffel. Again, this is sort of just like a separate compartment versus a smaller pocket, so it's good to have an additional divider for your gear. The water bottle pocket on this one is fastened by Velcro, and it doesn't use that slightly elastic material that we've seen on the previous two Aer Go Collection pieces. Opening up the duffel, we are greeted with a giant compartment. It is pretty much just like a massive bucket going on here. You do have a separate smaller pocket for additional organization if you'd like, but that's pretty much it. Giant bucket. Last but not least, let's take a look at the 1.5-liter Go Sling. The sling is designed to be worn cross-body style, so you can just wear it across your body, either on the front or the back, and of course you could just wear it on one shoulder as well. The strap is adjustable and removable via the Duraflex hardware. The sling features a smaller and cuter magnetic fidlock buckle than what we've seen on the past three pieces. The back of the sling offers another kind of partition pocket that's about the same size as the sling itself, good for flatter items, because behind that, there's even another zippered pocket for additional organization. So overall, a lot of exterior pockets going on in this thing, 3 to be exact. When we use those YKK Hypalon zippers to open things up, you're basically greeted with a giant compartment, and again, one other pocket to help with additional organization. So there you have it, our quick look of the Aer Go Collection. Be sure to let me know in the comments what you think of the collection, and maybe even talk about your favorite below based on what you've seen so far. Again, we are going to be launching a full review on the backpack, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next video.